So OnePlus has surprised me with the OnePlus 12R and its specs, and most importantly its price. It is truly mind-blowing. OnePlus has officially released the OnePlus 12R in China, and it is set to be launched worldwide on January 23rd of this month along with the flagship OnePlus 12. Let's see the top 5 features of the OnePlus 12R and wait for disclose of the price at the end. Starting with the display, considering the price point, OnePlus has provided us with the best display on the 12R. The phone features a 6.78 inches 1.5K BOE X1 8T LTPO OLED curved ProXDR display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and a brightness of 1600 nits. This will greatly enhance your content viewing experience. Now moving to the shocking part, OnePlus has powered the OnePlus 12R with a 5500 mAh battery. Let me tell you that the flagship OnePlus 12 only comes with a 5400 mAh cell. This is a bold move by OnePlus as they have given a mid-range phone a higher battery capacity than their flagship phone. OnePlus claims that the OnePlus 12R is their first phone to have a bigger battery. To power this massive battery, OnePlus has provided us with a 100-watt wired charging with a USB 2.0 port. Talking about the camera, the OnePlus 12R will not impress us with a fancy camera layout. OnePlus has added a simple camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 OIS plus 8-megapixel IMX355 ultrawide plus 2-megapixel rear. We have already seen the images taken by the OnePlus 12R's main camera and the photos are quite good. But don't expect the ultrawide sensor to give you a wow moment, and just forget that there is even a 2-megapixel camera at the back because that won't be of any help. To run all these features, the phone is powered with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. We are well aware of the performance capabilities of this CPU. In my opinion, this CPU still has the capacity to compete with the other high-end chips in the market, and now it is available to us at an affordable price. In addition to the other specifications, the OnePlus 12R will come with a Wi-Fi 7, 6.5, Bluetooth 5.3, an alert slider, a metal frame, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and an in-display fingerprint sensor and an IR blaster for remote control. These are the additional features that the 12R carries. Now finally, talking about the surprise, OnePlus has priced the OnePlus 12R 12GB plus 256GB variant at $365. And let me tell you, this is for the Chinese market. It might vary in other countries, but still it will not get expensive considering the specs. For me, OnePlus has done a great job, but I hope that this phone will not create controversy regarding the design and build quality as the OnePlus 12 has done. And I really hope the green line issues is also solved in these new phones. So let me know what do you think of this OnePlus 12R in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.